Now that your Kijiji Admarkt account is set up, we can get started learning how to post ads in the new business cost per click platform. Visit your Admarkt account, then click Post Ad. You'll see we're given a variety of regions to choose from, which makes it very convenient to target single cities, entire provinces, and even the entire country. If you're unsure where to target, we've included a list of Canadian cities by population center under our Regions section. For our example today, we're going to target all of Ontario by selecting All Regions. Once our region selection is finished, it's time to choose a category. Currently, 3 categories are eligible for the cost per click Admarkt platform: buy and sell, cars and vehicles, and pets. We're going to be pretending to list a cell phone today, so our most relevant category is buy and sell, followed by phones, followed by cell phones. As per our Kijiji Ad Pro tip, we strongly recommend investigating other categories that may be related to your product that you can create additional postings in as well. This increases your reach, targets potential additional customers, helps take advantage of less competitive traffic, and ultimately increases your profits. For example, some other categories we may be able to create an additional listing in with our cell phone include the Other section of the phones, under Electronics, and under Computers. If we placed a separate ad in all these categories, that's 4 different parts of the site we could be targeting. And if you wanted to target those 4 categories in, let's say, 2 provinces, that's 8 ads, 2 provinces times 4 ads in each. You don't even have to recreate your ad. Just copy the same content but place it in different categories and regions. With this method, you can see how quickly your exposure and potential profits can increase. Let's continue with the most relevant category of cell phones. Let's upload our images. Be sure to watch our thumbnail selection lesson and implement what you learn. The thumbnail is the most important part of your ad. It's the first thing people see while scrolling through Kijiji. So, as our lesson suggests, we're going to pick a unique image that stands out. We're also going to outline it in a bright color and incorporate a couple words that sell in big letters to really pop. Let's take the image of our phone and put a bright border around it. Secondly, we're also going to put a couple words that sell, including sale and now. Thirdly, as one of our Kijiji Ad Pro tips suggests, we're going to incorporate our website and company logo, just in case there are people scrolling who don't click the ad, so that we can gain brand recognition. Take a look at these 3 image renditions. Which one stands out the most in your opinion? The gray phone with no text, the colorful phone, or our colorful image complete with attention-grabbing text and an outline? Most people would agree it's the one we made our modifications to stand out. If you're scrolling quickly through the site, our image is going to be much more likely to grab your attention and get you to click. Now upload it and make sure it's set to be your thumbnail, which is the first image, and also make sure it's square in dimensions. After, we can include some additional images for further viewing by the user if they're interested. Perhaps an image or flyer detailing your brand or further details about the product or service. Let's select a title. To start, be sure to follow our title selection lesson and consult our words that sell to see if we can incorporate any of them. I'm going to pretend to be selling a phone today. I think we can use these words: sale, now, fast, and authentic. Authentic X-brand phone for sale now, must sell fast is a pretty good title. Make sure to capitalize what you want to emphasize. In our case, the brand and urgency. Must sell. But don't overdo it. For the ad details, use the formula we outlined in our description selection lesson. To summarize, remember to put 1. A short sentence grabbing their attention with your value proposition using words that sell. Genuine X-brand phone for sale now, must sell fast. 2. A brief summary of your offer. Black X brand phone for sale with 32 GB storage and unopened box for X dollars. 3. A call to action to text, call, email, or visit you. To buy, send us a direct message or visit us. And finally, additional details further down if they desire further reading. Details about the offer, 32 gigabyte storage, black color, 6-inch screen, charger, processing speed, etc. Make sure to do this with proper formatting, including with bullet points to keep things well organized if applicable. Fill out all the additional related details such as fulfillment options, payment options, and brand information. Time to decide on what price to put. If you're simply looking to drive traffic, select Contact. Otherwise, to be straight to the point, put in an amount. Make sure to fill out your contact information, including phone number and website. We also strongly recommend enabling Show Email Contact option so that customers can contact you directly. The budgeting section is the biggest differentiator between Admarkt and the regular Kijiji side. This is what really allows you to expand your campaign's reach massively relative to the other tools Kijiji has available. The budget can be adjusted any time. Enter a maximum budget for the entire campaign or set it to no limit. We recommend setting a reasonable limit at first while you are familiarizing yourself with what your campaign will cost over several days and click-throughs. Enter a daily maximum budget as well that will pause the campaign daily after it is reached, or set it to no limit. Set cost per click is the amount you will pay every time someone clicks your ad. Your ad's visibility on the platform is based on how much your competitors in the same exact category have set their cost per click at. For a simple example, if you are bidding 10 cents every time someone clicks and all your competitors are only bidding 9 cents, that means your ad will appear at the top because you are outbidding them. Conversely, if you are bidding 8 cents and your competitors are bidding 9 cents, your ad will appear below theirs with less visibility. Kijiji also has an optimal CPC where it calculates what it believes you need to spend to get optimal visibility. Select an amount or enter a custom cost per click amount and click Save to continue. Back in your console, you'll be able to monitor your ad. You'll be able to see what your cost per click is set to and adjust it, your budget and adjust it, and other ad details, including impressions, which is the number of times that the ad appears on Kijiji, click-through rate, which is the number of clicks divided by the number of impressions, the number of clicks, and engagement, which is actually people who are clicking message now or engaging in some kind of activity within the ad itself. You can also see how much you're spending. Ideally, you want to have as many clicks as possible and the best click-through rate you can. To increase your click-through rate, which is essentially an indicator of the effectiveness of your ad, implement many of the lessons that we've outlined, including effective thumbnail strategy and a quality title and images, as well as proper category selection. At the top here, you'll also be able to monitor your campaign through this interactive graph.